everyone, I'm Janupriya F1032 would like to demonstrate the ways on how to clean a table fan neatly. Let's be honest for a moment. I know most of us will be so lazy to clean our table fans because it's complicated and tiring and so on. But do you know that this habit can lead to a consistent circulation of dust throughout our homes? I'm pretty sure you guys don't wanna breathe in those harmful particles, right? So without wasting much time, let's hop on to the video.
Please wear a mask before starting the cleaning process. Don't forget to make sure the fan is turned off and unplugged. Firstly, the front grill is removed from the fan. Secondly, the blade nut is unloosed. Then, fan blades are pulled off from the fan. Later, the nut that holds rear grill to the motor is unloosed and rear grill is removed. After that, the grills, nuts and blades are wiped gently with a damp cloth. Be careful not to bend the fan blades. This is because bent blades may vibrate when the fan is operating. Next, all the components are left to be dried up. Last but not the least, all the components are reassembled accordingly.